Today is Redmi's birthday, and on this special day, I am officially announcing that the K-series dual flagships will launch on August 11th. Let me first show you the brand new Sunset Orange. Do you all think it looks good? The K-series has always had an important mission, which is to bring Xiaomi's advanced technology and flagship experience to more users.
Last year, we built the K100 Pro Max with a no-limits philosophy. While maintaining our traditional strengths in performance, battery life, and display, we achieved a leap in quality, imaging, and audio. This proves one thing: the K-series can not only excel in performance, but is fully capable of being a true all-around flagship.
Now, the K100 Pro dual flagships are here, and the goal for this generation is very clear. Every aspect of the experience must stand up to scrutiny, and there can be no weaknesses in any core scenario. The K100 Pro is positioned as the K-series all-around flagship, pursuing a truly no-compromise experience. The K100 Pro Max goes beyond the all-around flagship to further challenge the new benchmark for gaming flagships.
The entire mobile industry is facing huge cost pressures this year, but for Redmi, the more difficult the times, the more we must persist in long-term investment and deliver truly competitive products. Since its inception, the K-series has always defied the trend, with 7 generations over 7 years. Daring to change, being able to change, and changing for the better, this is the trump card that keeps the K-series invincible.
Starting with the K100, the K-series has officially entered the 3-digit era at a new stage of development. The K100 Pro dual flagships, fully powered, fully equipped, and perfect flagships. This is the first answer we have delivered for this new stage.
Of course, the standard version of the K100 will not be missing either. It will continue to uphold the essence of the K-series flagship performance and pragmatic spirit, launching a bit later to bring you more diverse choices. A new industry cycle has begun, and the K-series will also embark on its next stage. This time, we are even better prepared.